guys, it's X. Welcome back to my channel. I'm using a new vlog camera, so if things look a little bit different, that might be why. But I'm excited to bring you this recipe today. So I stopped eating out nearly as much as I used to, so I'm trying to make my favorite recipes from my favorite fast food restaurants. So this is going to be the El Pollo Loco taco salad, just with a little bit of twist. I'm trying to not eat out as much and trying to pick healthier ingredients. So I did the best I could with this recipe. So let's just move on to the ingredients. Okay, so here are all the ingredients that you're going to need. I tried to find the most healthiest tostadas I could find. Unfortunately, there was only 3 different kinds, so this was the best one out of that. We're gonna do Trader Joe's refried beans, this Spanish rice from Near East, this taco seasoning, some avocado, some chicken, sour cream, we got grape tomatoes, romaine, and then this chunky salsa. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is cook my rice. So this package gave me a little bit shy of 1 cup, so I'm going to do a little bit shy of 2 cups of water. I feel like this is going to take the longest, so I'm just going to prep that real quick. Once again, this is the rice that we're using, and then I'm just going to go ahead and throw this packet in the rice cooker as well. And this usually takes about 20 minutes, so I just want to get that started first. Next, we're going to chop our chicken. We're going to weigh and chop our chicken. So I'm the only one that eats meat in this house, so I'm only making a serving for myself. So we'll see, 118 grams. I want a little bit more chicken than that. 185 grams of chicken. So we'll do that. Then we'll chop it up and put the seasoning. And then I'm going to use the same foil to cook the chicken in the air fryer with. Alright. My husband just slaps our doorbell is ringing. I'm going to get this taco seasoning and just use it to marinate the chicken with. Oh my god, that was so much. Oh lord. Okay. And then I'm gonna chop up the chicken into little pieces and put it in the air fryer. Alright, chicken. We're going to do, let's do 15 minutes at 375. Alright, let's start actually making the stuff that's gonna go inside the salad. I think I was actually I don't remember, is there a lot of lettuce? I don't remember. So let's just do 2 cups, which would be 2.5 is 85 grams. So maybe 60. That's 50. 63 grams. I'll take it. I'm gonna weigh out just for the sake of the macros, but I'm gonna do about 5 grape tomatoes. So this is 43 grams of tomatoes. Alright, it says 2 tostadas is 150 calories, but I don't want to do 2 because we're trying to make this healthier. And so I'm just gonna get this and crumble it up in here. That way, almost every bite feels like you're getting part of the taco salad, but not really. Oh my god, now that I'm crunching it up, I'm almost tempted to just throw 2 in there, but no. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna limit ourselves. Alright, let's do this chunky salsa. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of the chunky salsa. It's my husband's. I'm borrowing it. There we go. Oh, and I gotta cook the beans as well. Alright, beans, half a cup, 130 grams is 120 calories. So we'll try and get that amount. 139. That is it? Oh my god. That's all the amount of beans I get? Okay, I guess technically it says 3. I guess that's like 1/3. Jesus, that, I'm telling you, weighing your food makes you realize how much you are like overeating without realizing you're overeating. Because I definitely expected to have more beans than that. That is just nuts. That's what it looks so far. Alright, I was just checking to make sure that the chicken was like not, well, cooked all the way. What I was trying to say. I was gonna say not dry, but that's not what I meant. Well, that too. I am known for making dry ass chicken. So the air fryer has helped a lot. But I was more concerned that it was cooked all the way. All right, rice is done. I'm gonna quickly scoop out 1/3 of a cup. Sadly, when you realize how much that is, you're like, oh, that's all I get? It's so funny, you guys. Okay, so I've been on this health kick, you know, really weighing my food, blah, blah, blah. We all heard it. But I guess like the CEO or someone of like Chipotle, people were like complaining because you're not getting, they're like complaining about the serving sizes and how they feel like they're being, like people feel like they're being cheated. But I'm like, this is why we are so fat in America. Like, this is why we are unhealthy, because we don't realize that these serving sizes are what you should be eating. Like, you should not be eating so much food. Like, if you go to other countries, their serving sizes are so much smaller. So I think people just don't realize, like, the portions that you get are actually healthy portions that you should be eating. Instead, we want everything bigger, greater, and it's like not really healthy for us. But yeah, it just cracked me up to read that people were upset about the serving sizes. Last but not least, sour cream. Okay, so it says 2 tablespoons is 30 grams. So I'm gonna get what I believe would be about a tablespoon. I would say a tablespoon and a half, because that is kind of a lot. But do I want 2 tablespoons? I'm like, how much saturated fat is in this? Okay, I think we'll go for the 2. We'll just go for the 2 serving sizes. I mean, screw it. Final outcome. It looks gorgeous. Like, amazing. Let me take a couple photos for Instagram and for the, you know, thumbnail, and then we'll taste it. Let me try this before we talk numbers, because wow, does it look amazing? I don't want it to get cold. Need 1 piece of chicken, some rice, some beans. I'm shocked. Like, so freaking good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, okay. Calorie count. I was trying to make this like healthier than a Pollo Loco, but the calorie count came out to 1,066 for the entire bowl, which I think this is actually way bigger portion than you would get if you were to go to El Pollo Loco. But the big hitters in this was the chicken, because that was 309 calories. The rice was 190. Avocado was 294 because they used the entire avocado. And then the rice was like 120. So there's 79 grams of protein, which is amazing. 102 grams of carbs, 40 grams of fat, 9 grams of saturated fat, which mainly came from the chicken, the avocado, and the cream, and then 6 grams of sugar, which I was once again a little bit shocked about, because there is no added sugar in this. This is just what the stuff comes with. So this was amazing. Let me know if you guys try it. I also like skipped lunch today, so I only ate breakfast, so I'm still hitting my calorie count for the day, and this is going to count as my lunch and my dinner. So if you balance your calories out for the day, I guess it's good, and you can always use smaller portions. You don't have to use the whole avocado like I did, and you can use less amount of chicken. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next one.